I like it. This is it.
Okay. Let's see. That's to Benjamin from Aunt Kathy and Uncle Rob. Oh boy.
Legos.
A Lego what?
Is that a Lego camera?
I love it. I can't believe it.
That's really cool. Let me help you open it.
Why don't you go ahead and open it and we'll figure out what it is.
Wait a minute. Wow.
What's that say? Oh, how'd you know that was for me?
My told me.
Okay.
It is for me.
Lego City Heroes. Is that a Lego book?
With those? Is it for me?
It's for you from Santa.
It's from Santa. Yay, yay, yay. Look at that piece.
I wonder what it is.
Wow!
Is that a new water bottle?
Water bottle.
That's good too, because your car's cup leaks a lot.
Yeah, it does.
Santa must have known.
He knows everything.
What's it got on it, bub?
A crook and a poopy snake.
All right.
And a hat. Oh. Why don't you put water in it?
Yeah, let me wash it first and I'll put water in.
Who's that from?
Santa.
Where did Santa get you?
This and this and this.
T-shirts?
Free pairs of them.
Wow. You just tore that right off.
I can't believe I got blades and border and cheese to make
Show me your t-shirts, bub.
Iron Man, Batman, and the Green Lantern.
What that one is?
Mm-hmm. Green Lantern. See? And Batman.
Now, who's this?
Captain America.
No. What letter is that?
Iron Man.
No.
Iron Man.
Hang on. Let me open it.
The Iron Man shirt.
Is that an S?
Mm-hmm.
Whose name begins with an S? Superman?
Superman.
That's your Superman shirt. And look, your Batman shirt looks just like your Batman pajamas you have on.
You can wear that during the day.
The Green Lantern.
The Green Lantern.
It is! Yes! I was right! It is Lego! It is Lego! It is!
Let's wait till later to put all this stuff together.
Yeah, we're not going to put all the Legos together today.
It can turn into this. See, it can turn into that, and that, and that.
So how many different things can you make?
That and that. Cool.
So how many can you make?
Just two.
You sure?
Because that one looks the same.
Well, look at the back. 1,
2, 3.
It's Christmas time and time for a carol. Time to sing about the little king to fill the bowl and roll out the barrel. Have ourselves a fling. We greet a friend or welcome his ring. Let him sing or cheer him on his way and celebrate the child in the manger for Christmas Day. Good cheer for you and for me, the pleasure we to share. Oh, we're so happy to be together and no nights away. It looks like snow and
This is Legos.
It is.
More. I'm getting a lot of Legos for Christmas. I'm getting a lot of Legos for Christmas. You must know I like Legos. That's what I wanted! Yay! Thank you, Santa! Thank you, Santa! Thank you, thank you, thank you, Santa! Thank you, Santa, for this Lego. It's my favorite. That's all.
That's all?
Can't wait to open it.
Okay. Wait a minute, Benjamin. Who's that from again?
Your grandma and grandpa.
All right. My mom and dad. Your grandma and grandpa.
Oh, wow. Oh, wowie.
That's called, let's see, what's it say? My first super science kit. You can do experiments with that.
It's a okay.
Do you see them?
Holly and Warren.
Okay.
Got Christmas movies. A bunch of different Christmas movies.
That's still kind of boring.
Yeah, I don't think you've seen these.
Yeah, that's kind of boring.
Maybe we can put it in.
Beautiful living.
pajamas.
My pajamas.
From Mommy and Daddy.
Batman shirt! Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Actually, it's underpants.
Oh.
She needs some new underpants because we got burned the one she got.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome, Benjamin. Who's that from, Benjamin?
Santa.
Santa.
More Legos? More Legos.
Wow.
I'm getting a lot of Legos. I got a lot of Legos for Christmas. I'm gonna get two.
Your last two, bub.
Wow.
Ooh, that's a
nice
fancy
shirt.
polo shirt. Who's that from?
Patty, Carly, and Lauren.
All right. Can you hold it up, bub?
That's a nice shirt.
That is a nice shirt.
I like it.
And who's that one from?
It's from London, huh? Well, no, that's really not enough. There.
Two presents. The two last presents.
Yeah, open them up.
First one.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur book.
Or dark. Getting a lot of books too. That's good. These new books. Ooh. The Night at Dawn. All right. Look at all this stuff you got. You really made out, Benjamin. You got a lot of Lego stuff. And books.
Now can we